Despite popular opinions, dogs and chickens can and should get along, and they can live in peace happily, and your chickens can free range, and your dog will actually protect them. The best way to do it is to desensitize your dog. So you need to get newborn chicks that aren't a threat to them, and just with constant supervision, get them used to their scent and they'll become family.